if you have a hero product at Amazon, most likely you have a good amount of supply there, or in today's day and age with all their new fees, maybe you have it at an interim warehouse or something like that, and you can fulfill it directly. But yeah, normally you don't have to send that inventory to TikTok, but just to have it. So that's why I kind of say a hero product. Like, I wouldn't recommend someone test out the world of ecom by launching a product and ordering 500 units. That's kind of my point with the whole TikTok shop thing. Is I wouldn't. That would worry me, just because you got to look at the life cycle, how long it's going to take you to ramp up manufacturing. Whereas if you have a hero product on Amazon that you can test on TikTok shop, that you can make, at least some investment in getting samples out there through an agency perhaps, and you have inventory at Amazon or at a warehouse, or a lot of people that are bigger sellers that have hero products use like SKU Drop or something, like they have kind of like layered inventory for situations like this. And that's how you, to me, set yourself up for success on TikTok shop. It's not just throw it up there and get sales, even though it was at first.